So here's Garmin Connect app. So let's just install it. This was quite a popular gift during Christmas. It's number 15 in the charts in health and fitness. Everything you need to beat yesterday, rest well, monitor energy levels, track your cycle, keep tabs on stress, stay hydrated, train hard, achieve your fitness goals. Garmin Connect is a one-stop source for health and fitness data, whether you're training for a race or tracking steps. It provides the information and inspiration you need to beat yesterday. Once paired with a compatible Garmin device, activity tracking is just the beginning of what Garmin Connect can do for you. You can create new workouts, build courses, and even challenge your friends to compete, all within the app. Garmin Connect is packed with useful features and ability to view today's health data and with detail on your personalized My Day page, analyze your activities, create customized workouts and courses, sync with other apps like Apple Health, review personal records, earn badges, so yeah, just open up the app and obviously you need a Garmin device and then you can set up your domain and then just create an account from here and then you can just go and enter your name, email, password and then just go and create an account. It's not possible to create an account with Google or Apple, so it's a bit more longer process here, but there you have it.